Today I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy M21's best tips and tricks. Before buying this smartphone, you should definitely know. So without wasting any further ado, let's get started. And in case you guys don't know, I am finally on Instagram. This is my ID. I post some great content here, like some great smartphone, short on smartphone images. And if you like any of these, or if you are on Instagram, you can follow me. This is my ID. Just follow right now. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So you all know Face Unlock, right? It's pretty nice, handy, and we all love it. But sometimes it just doesn't work great. So today I'm going to show you one thing which is very useful. It will help you a lot. So go in biometrics and security, in face recognition, just type in your password, and then you will get this thing which is called wait, I will show you guys. I have actually just done it, so let me just remove my alternative look and show you guys what you have to do. You have to press on this button, add alternative look, and here you can add your second face. Like this will be a lot more faster. Okay, I actually just woke up, so it doesn't look that good, guys, but actually adding a second look to your face will actually make your face recognition a lot faster. Just look at this. Every time I type in, and boom, it just unlocks a lot easier. So yeah, this will help you to use Face Unlock more reliably. Now let me show you one more tip that you guys will almost love. That is, go in lock screen and then go in clock style. So here is the clock style, and here you can actually change this clock style. Like it is the default one, you can change it to this one and this one, and after you select one of those, so I actually love this one, the clock round one. So you can actually, after selecting this, you can see it looks pretty good. Just press on done, and after that, when you will open your smartphone again, boom, there you go. This clock style looks amazing. So now let me show you one more tip that is very useful and good. That is, go in lock screen, and then you need to just scroll all the way down. Okay, wait, go in biometrics and security. Sorry guys, go in biometrics and security, go in fingerprints, and you can see here you can add up to 3 fingerprints of the same finger. So if you will add 3 fingerprints of the same finger, it will unlock a lot more faster. And you can also enable Find My Mobile. So in case your smartphone is lost, you can easily find it, and you can also unlock the smartphone in case you forgot the password. Now let me show you additional features. This is a very useful side key feature. So once you will double tap on this power button, as you guys can see, just double tap on it, it will quick launch the camera. But you can actually program it to launch any app you like, but camera is actually, according to me, the most convenient out of all the functions it has. So yeah, now let me show you one more to make it look like an iPhone. Go in home screen settings, home screen layout, and do it home screen only. When you will do this, all the apps will come in your home screen. Then you can arrange it according to the iPhone, and it will look really good, guys. And use it with a dark wallpaper, as I'm using currently. It just looks amazing. I just love this. But if you want to hide this thing, you see this navigation bar, lots of people actually don't like it. So how to hide this one? So go in actually you have to go in display settings. So where it is, guys? Yeah, go in display, then go in navigation bar, and here in navigation bar you can see this thing. You can also change the sensitivity, the back gesture sensitivity, but for me I have to hide this. So just go in gesture hints and disable this option. Now you will see, boom, there you go, it's all hidden. So yeah, now this gesture hint is hidden, but according to me, I actually kind of like that. Then you can also see this adaptive brightness. It is just actually auto brightness. It will adjust the brightness according to your liking, and this is very useful. Blue light filter, like using the smartphone at night will become a breeze if you will use this feature, blue light filter. I almost love it. Now if you want to change the font size, there you go, this is the font size change. So these are a lot of tips and tricks I'm telling you. So if you are new, please subscribe and share this with your friends. Now if you want to hide the notch of this smartphone, just tap here, and then you can see the notch is hidden. It's okay, you can see notch is there. Now just tap in hide camera layout or cutout, and when you will again open Flipkart, you can see, boom, the notch is hidden. It looks absolutely without any notch. So yeah, these are pretty much all the tips and tricks I want to show you. One more additional and bonus tip is go in settings, and in settings you will find one shot optimization, and this is actually a pretty nice feature. It will help your focusing speed in the M21. So if you find some focusing issues, it will help. This is pretty much it for the video. If you like it, please subscribe, share it with your friends. This is it. Hope you like it. Catch you in the next one. Peace.